How to turn off Pro Mode on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn off Pro Mode on Facebook. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you're inside the profile section, just tap on the three dot icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the profile settings page. Now here in this section, you can simply scroll down and there you'll see the option labeled as turn off Pro Mode. So just tap on it. And now here on the next page, you can just tap on continue, and at last you can just tap on turn off button again. And now here, once you do that, it will successfully turn off your professional mode on Facebook. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.